Welcome to Heathen's Garage, folks. We are doing some street legal drag racing at Central Alberta Raceways, which is sponsored by my shirt, Sylvan Lake Auto Parts. Let's show you some cars that are around. So to catch some of you guys up, on Friday nights my hometown drag strip does street legal drag racing. And it just so happened my cousin Eden turned 14 this year and was interested in learning how to drag race. A few questions to the officials in Rimbey, a permission slip from Ede's mom's, and here we are making solo passes in my wife's 2010 Hemi Challenger. There's a whole video of our first experience trying this that I'll link at the end.
There also is a little bit of mud on there, so when you're coming in, if you take a look at your cars when you're coming in, and if you have some mud on there, just we'll try and get it brushed off or whatever we can. It'll be a little bit, but
Now that we've done a tour and showed you some of the cars that are here, it's about time to go drag racing. We are teched, we are lined up, and we're gonna hit the road real quick here. And by the road, I mean the racetrack. Was real casual with that one, Eads.
You're gonna have fun editing that.
Yeah. You liking your tinted visor? Good. Now nobody can see you.
Well, you can see through them, can you?
Barely. Like I can because I'm a foot away from you, but he can't. Look at all the new cars here, eh? Just like run what you brung kind of cars. I like that.
Oh yeah.
I can tell you've been driving on the street a lot more, because that was much smoother than every other time. At least the turn off part. What's your goal tonight, Eats?
I don't know.
Do you want to learn a new thing?
Yeah.
Okay. I wish we would have practiced on the street.
No. That's too scary.
It's not scary.
What is it?
It's just called manually shifting. So you see that RPM?
Yeah.
Well, it'll mean you have to pay attention to it. Let's not do it this run, and I'll show you on the return road. Then there's not so much pressure. And we can do it slow. Let's try and cut a 0 light tonight. Because that's what we really care about, is your reaction time.
What do you mean a 0 light?
So, remember this part, the reaction time?
Yeah.
From when it goes green to when the car breaks the beams. So you did a 490. Let's try and make it a 093 or something like that. Something that starts with a 0. Clearly I had gotten quite comfortable with Heathen's driving, because I wasn't paying attention and I let her roll right through both sets of beams. Oh, stop. Back up. All the way. Okay. Hold for a second. Okay, now roll it in. Nice and gentle. Stop on the first one and stop on the second one. There we go. Perfect. Drag racing sometimes. It's a certain amount of comfort that,
Why am I turning my steering?
just in case the guy beside us is paying attention or whatever. Ow, ow, ow. Glasses just tried to eat my hair. Yes.
There you go.
One again. Well, you're consistent anyways. Dead consistent car. Yeah. We did a 10-101 and a 10-106. Reaction time needs to be a lot quicker, but we'll get that sorted on the next one. Somewhere around now, we took a little break so Eads could clear her head and I could practice a little more with my drone. The obvious lesson here was that I needed more practice. But hey, you miss most of the shots you never take, or whatever that sports guy said. We'll get there eventually, that I'm sure. Go. Nice, that's way closer. Perfect.
Yeah, good light. There she goes.
So, that I saw that reaction time. It was a 0.10. So really close to what we want, which means you just need to leave a little bit earlier even yet. So now you're gonna leave between the second and the third bulbs. So when you see the second one go out, punch it. Even before the third is lit up. Well, folks, it's dark now. They have called the race because we don't have lights here at Rimby. Well, not a lot of them anyways. So that's the end of this evening's adventure.
Hi! Hi!
Thanks,
Hi! Bye, guys.
Bye.
Subscribe to his channel.
Well, thanks.